I just want to say a few words about John Lenny's team at AGM. They've been working with me for about a month now, and they're very methodical and professional in the way that they have steadily built up a brand and targeted and narrowed down funneled audience. I could have spent a lot of money randomly sending out email advertising to all sorts of people and wasted a lot because it would have been not targeted as effectively as what they have. And so they've been a real eye-opener in how they go about building the audience, but also when the figures don't match up or they're not as effective for the next stage, they know what to do to find out what that issue is. Whereas I'd have been floundering and I would not have been able to find out the best course of action for each stage to make the most use of my advertising dollar.